Hey YouTube, it's willalso. This is a Zippo video. This is my first ever Zippo video. Probably more, but recently I've been getting into Zippo lighters. Zippo. So I got a couple this weekend, and show you them. Right there. There's my Zippo case. Line that with Zippos when I get them. Put Zippos on both sides. These are actually brochures to the Zippo and Case 90 Museum. But, alright. And I also got a pouch for my Zippos, and I'll show you that afterward too. But first I'll show you my two Zippos. The first one is the 60th anniversary Zippo. It is a silver Zippo. Pretty nice. Pretty heavy. It's a thick case. Very thick case. But it's very good. Good collectors, if you get it, probably save it. It'll be worth quite some money someday. So that one I usually don't really mess with. Save it. And the next Zippo is actually, this one is very cool. It is a personalized Ryan 609 purple Zippo. This one is much lighter, much newer, much more. That one actually was made in 1992, and for this one, on the bottom, you can't really read it right there, but it's made in September 2009, much newer. You got the, yeah. You insert it in here. And then, just the case. So, those are my two current Zippos at the moment. I will definitely be getting more, but I will actually, before I put that away, I will show you my Zippo pouch with the belt loop on the back. Okay, around the Zippos in. Just take the Zippo, put it in, snap it shut, and there you go. Got yourself the Zippo case. It's pretty cool. I use it quite often with this Zippo. Make that one nice. But that's all my Zippo videos for now. Come back with more Zippos. You'll be seeing a lot of this Zippo right here. And so alright.